like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Feel like an auto party and it's smashing and crashing, and all the bits and the clash and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness. Because the time when we face to the blackness, and when you stare at the phone and you laugh, and you know no other people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fall. And when you find out right from the same what we get before, you had one chance. So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my face and I'll close that gate. And I don't make that, and I switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end
We
of the
pretend
night.
that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. We pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, somebody take me back to the
Back
for the job, before I got paid, before it never matter what I had in my thing. Back when I was trying to get a tip in Subway, back when I was rapping for the heck of it. Nowadays we rapping to stay real. That's a dub, we can make some shit out of airplanes. Maybe I go back to the days. One of all the things that we call it like that. That way nobody listens to my mixtape. And that's why I'm trying to cover up my swing. Yo. So can I get a wish to end apologies, to get back to the keys, start a this, to go right again, and then again I say, oh, we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
We pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right